Good morning. I want to give you some feedback on this lesson, lesson 9. It was a little tricky, so I want to show you what you need to do. So when it says unit fraction, it's talking about a 1 on the top and how many pieces are in a whole. So for the sample question, 1 on the top and there are 2 pieces in a whole. Okay, so for this one, we put 1 on the top, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in the whole. So the unit fraction should be 1/8. The total number of units shaded, we know there's 8 shaded here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces shaded. Oops, 15 pieces shaded. And then the fraction shaded, we count all the pieces, which we said was 15, out of how many are in a whole, which is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 15 out of 8 are shaded. Okay, same thing here. The unit fraction is going to be 1 out of how many pieces in a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6 is our unit fraction. Here we have how many pieces are shaded in all. We know there's 6 there. That's another 6 is 12, 13, 14. And then the fraction that is shaded is going to be the 14 pieces out of our whole, which is 6, 14/6. Same thing here. Our unit fraction is going to be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in a whole. How many pieces are shaded? We know there's 5 here, 6, 7, 8. And then the total number of units shaded is going to be 8 out of our whole, which is 5, so 8/5. Here our unit fraction is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in a whole, 1/4. We're working with fourths. How many pieces are shaded? 4, 8, 9 total pieces shaded. And then we have 9 pieces shaded, and we're working with our whole is fourths, so 9/4. Here our unit fraction is 1/3. We put 1 on the top, and we have working with thirds in our whole, so 1/3 is our unit fraction. And then we have, sorry, Tilly is jumping on the couch right now. No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total pieces shaded. And then for our total number of units shaded, we have 7 pieces out of our whole, which is thirds, so 7/3. And that's it.